If you want to change wallpaper on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna open Settings. And once you open Settings, then scroll down a little bit and find the Personalize option. Then in here, we should be able to tap on the lock screen over here. Here we have a couple of options that you can choose from in order to start selecting the wallpaper that you want to set on your phone. So let's say I'm just gonna go to Curated Images. This is where you can find some of the already available wallpapers. And usually in here, we have to choose more wallpapers in this place. There we go, we have a bunch of different categories to choose from. So let's say I'm gonna go to Landscapes category, and then you might be able to find a bunch of different wallpapers, and you can just choose whichever you would like to use. At first, it might look like they have low quality, but after a short while, they should be updated. This means that they are just downloading. So let's say I'm gonna choose this wallpaper over here. We have the preview. And as you can see, here is a prompt that is telling us that we can tap to edit our photo. So we can adjust the position, scale, and so on and so forth. So we can zoom in, zoom out, move to the left and to the right, and so on and so forth. So once you set up the wallpaper, tap on this check in the upper right corner, and then tap on Set Wallpaper. You can also choose if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen, or both of these screens, and then just tap on Set to confirm. And there we go, now we have a new wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.